Hey guys, today we'll be making an Easter basket. Step 1, we'll be starting off selecting a basket. I looked around and I found this one to be really cute. It's really fuzzy. So we're going to be taking this one. And step 2, we'll be selecting grass. So out of all of these grass, I think we'll go with the green one. So we'll take a couple of those. I dropped one. So we'll take 3 of these because I think this will look really good with the yellow basket. So step 1 and 2 are done. So step 3 is finding which kind of eggs you want. I will go with the bigger kind of eggs so you could fill more things in there. But they do have a variety of kind of eggs. They have small to big, so I just chose 2 large ones. I picked these shiny ones and one with colors, so hope it's enough. Okay, so step 4, I selected these Reese's Eggs candy. I picked 2 of them because our egg is really big. And then I'm gonna fill it up with something else called Krabby Patties. And these are gummy, so we're gonna fill it up with these and these. First, we're gonna try and put these green glass in there. So I'm gonna start by opening them. So I'm just gonna make it look really nice. Ooh, it looks nice. Okay. If you want, you can add another one. Ooh, a lot of grass. It'll make it really grassy. I guess I'll just use 2 because... So I thought 3 bags of grass was enough, but I guess 1 bag is enough, so I just took some out. So next we're gonna go ahead and open the eggs. We got different colors. Wow, this is really nice. We have a yellow one. Just trying to... Sometimes they come open. Here. And I'm gonna open the other pack. These are very shiny. Okay, so now we're gonna start filling in the eggs. So we're gonna start with the Reese's. Alright, so we're gonna put 1 in each one. You want? I'll just keep it open. I'm just gonna go and put 1 in each one. They smell delicious. I'm smell person. So there goes our 1 bag. Put those in here. Let's see. We're just gonna keep these open so we can put the Krabby Patty in there. And this is the golden egg, guys. So I guess we'll put a little bit extra because it's the golden egg. Ooh. Alright. So we got 1 more. Alright. So I just have a little bit left over. Next, we're going to put the Krabby Patties in there. These are gummy. I should have used scissors, but my teeth are scissors. Alright, so we're going to put these and then close them. So we're just going to put them in here. Just going to go with the yellow egg. Some of these are hard to close. Put them in there. Ooh, look at this big one. Ooh. Oh, look at blue. I like the shiny one. Okay, so we only have 3 left. Right. Alright, so the golden egg already has 1. We'll just put that one in there. Since we only have 3 left, I'm gonna use the other candy and fill in the ones that only have 1. I already put 1 in here. Okay. See how many we have left over. Wow, we have 3 left over. So I'm just gonna put the extra one in there because we didn't have enough Krabby Patties. Alright, so I put the golden egg all the way on the bottom. And here's my basket.